Look at the bolts line up perfect. Oh my goodness.
All right, guys, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Hemi Driven. My name is Alan. Welcome. So anyway, today we're doing an exhaust install on this wonderful Dodge Charger behind me. And also, there's some updates to the channel. Really freaking exciting. So as you guys can see, I'm repping the Grizzly Driven hoodie. So that's also down in the description below, so check that out. And I'm introducing a new member to the channel. He's gonna be joining you know, my journey, my YouTube journey alongside with me, so partner in crime. And yeah, come on in there, Brody. His name's Brody. So
What's going on, buddy?
what's happening?
Not much.
Excited?
I'm excited to be on the new channel.
So guys, this is Brody. Basically what's gonna happen is, you know, he's gonna make some of his videos, I'm gonna make videos, we're gonna make videos together. There's gonna be more content for the channel. It's not gonna be too much more of a lull sometimes. So it might, you know, produce more content, more videos, stuff like that if there's two of us. And yeah, I've always wanted someone to kind of join in on my videos and stuff like that.
It'll be a good time.
Anyway, do you want to tell them about yourself?
It's all about the local, having fun, playing with our junk, and getting our name out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Shout out to Solo Performance for sponsoring him this shirt.
Well, we're not sponsored yet,
No, but the free shirt.
we got a free shirt with the exhaust that I installed on this car last week. And yeah, we like to wrench on our own junk and send it, so.
Yeah, so there's gonna be more wrenching, stuff like that in videos. Wraps, decals, stalls, all kinds of stuff are gonna be coming up, and
Lots of fun stuff.
airbrushing, you know, lots of fun stuff are coming. So anyhow, we're gonna get to the video, and yeah, see you guys in a sec.
That's stupid. That's retarded, dude.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna get some exhaust videos of Brody going with his new exhaust on the road, and some drive-bys with both of us. So we're just gonna... Oh. What's this guy doing?
I like to hump my car once in a while because there's a 2JZ in it.
Alright guys, so let's get this, let's hear this new exhaust from the back. This is the startup. Obviously it's not a cold start or anything, but because we were just ripping, but let's get it. So it's a lot lower grumble. Hear that snaps, guys? So if you guys have a V6 Charger, okay, we're gonna ask what kind of exhaust he's running, but these things, they do snap pretty well. Should have done to my old V6. Hey buddy, tell him what exhaust you're running, because I can't quite remember, honestly.
All right, so we're running the Solo Performance exhaust. It is called the Mach XV. You can find it on Solo Performance website. Now, there was an issue. I was watching all these videos. I seen the Cyclone by Solo Performance. They didn't have it on their website. I didn't know it was special ordered, so I was stuck with this one. But sound purposes, it's not super loud. It's loud when you romp on it, but it gives a good, nice snap, as you'll hear in the video. And it's just a nice sporty exhaust for the V6. It's not overwhelming, it's not super fart canny, and you definitely feel, the car feels a lot smoother with this exhaust. So shout out to Solo Performance. Rocking your shirt, love it. Raw American muscle. That's Only a V6 is not true muscle. It's a nice shirt.
Yeah.
So
It's a
definitely
comfortable
going to keep supporting them. And we'll post more of this stuff on our channel, on Instagram, Facebook. Check them out.
Sick.
They're worth the purchase, and a good price too.
Sick. All right, guys. So we're in the Dodge Charger, and we're gonna hear some exhaust sounds with the new exhaust from the inside this time.
Yes, we are. So this is a Solo Performance Mach XV exhaust on a 3.6 2019 Dodge Charger. Pretty quiet revvies in the old cab here. Take the crappy radio off.
Yeah, there we go. Whoa.
Hear that turbo?
Oh yeah. The 2JZ is, bro, it's screaming Hellcat right now.
Oh yeah. All right, we'll do a quick little launch here.
All right. Heard that snap. Just gonna roll up the window here. Looks like
We got some company here.
these guys look pissed. These guys look so pissed. See, when these film videos with cars, people look freaking pissed.
You're gonna hear that in the video.
Yeah, I know. I just yeah,
All right. So let's do a rolling start here.
Here, hold on.
Put the seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Thank you. Fuck.
You know what? Shut up, Brody. Okay?
Look, raw American.
I feel unsafe.
Raw American muscle. All right. And yes,
hot.
it's a V6, but it's very hot.
All right, are we gonna rock this
Hi,
or
Emma.
what?
Oh, hi.
Hi.
All right, roll and start with the new exhaust. Let's get
Okay.
her. Then we got to slow down because there's angry people up here.
Oh, they gone.
Well, they're gone.
I'm gonna be honest. This does throw you back in your seat.
I know it's. I mean, you got to add a couple things, obviously, like a little cold air, maybe a little throttle response controller, an exhaust. But I mean, just with those few things, your V6 can be very personal and very fun and quite enjoyable on the daily drive. It's very fun. Makes me giggity. It's not as great as Alan's car, but it's definitely, if you want a budget-friendly car, it's decent on fuel, and you know, you can still play with it and enjoy it.
My gimbal is being.
I know, it's getting the full view.
It's
yeah.
it's pulling.
Hi up there.
There you go.
But yeah, V6 is still a fun car. It doesn't have as much of the glorified things as the V8s and fancier things, but for a base model V6, I quite enjoy it. And you can personalize it any way you want. Look at that sexy face of mine.
That's dirty. All right, guys. So we have a couple days filming. Right into the video now. Super excited to have Brody on the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yeah, super happy to also be repping Grizzly Auto / Grizzly Driven / Hemi Driven / a bunch of things really now. So in the future. So anyways, see you guys on the next video.